in a land far, far away, many light years away. Actually, it's not that far away. Year of 2017. Two heroes have a pact. The pact to create a platform where real India could fulfill its dreams. ShopClues, the epic startup by Radhika and Sanjay, where every middle-class Indian could proudly shop from the widest range of products from every corner of India, where every local shopkeeper could fulfill his dream to be an entrepreneur, where ShopClues never cared about
कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना,
but actually cared about the real India. Because we believe in ourselves and we believe in you. Here is what a force has got to say.
5 साल निकल गए यार.
पता ही नहीं चला, लगता है ऐसे कल की ही बात है.
Being in ShopClues is like
So much fun. Like I'm doing something different from others. I'm working for real India.
Is it difficult? Of course it's tough to crack this.
But good things happen on tough highways. We have created a difference and I'm proud of it.
I am a proud employee of ShopClues. I'm a proud employee of ShopClues. I am a proud employee of ShopClues.
Here is what our super force has got to say. A lot of gyan coming your way, people.
होलसेल का रेट, डिनर की प्लेट, नेकलेस का सेट, सोफा पे बैठ, ये दुनिया भर का माल यहाँ पे क्या तू लेगा सेठ? होलसेल का रेट, ओए होए होलसेल का रेट।
ये मॉल नहीं है मार्केट है, ये गुड फॉर द पॉकेट है। 3000 का स्मार्टफोन और 100 रुपए का चार्जर है, क्लॉक है और ट्रिमर है। ये मॉल नहीं है मार्केट है, ये गुड फॉर द पॉकेट है।
बज गए 6 और 6 से छुट्टी, 6 से छुट्टी तेरी मेरी कट्टी, छुट्टी हो गई भाग, पेट टिका के सीट पकड़ के कर ले मोबाइल ऑन। 6 से 9 की सेल इज ऑन, 6 से 9 की सेल इज ऑन।
तुम पूछ रहे हो कि तुम मेरे लिए कौन हो? भाई तुम्हारे बिना तो हम कुछ है ही नहीं।
Hi everyone and congratulations on our 5th anniversary. I have to say that I am so incredibly proud of everyone here at ShopClues. I know we are in a very tough business and we've gone through some very challenging times, but the team, the employees, each one of you has stood by us and has taken us to where we are today.
अरे भाई तुम इंजन हो, you are the engine that drives the ship.
We became a unicorn only because of you. We are a significant player in the market, even in spite of all the ups and downs that the company went through, only because of you. In many ways, in fact, I do believe that ShopClues is what it is today only because of all of you. Thank you for everything you do and I'm very proud of you.
ये ताजमहल बनेगा ही नहीं अगर आप इसके ऊपर ईंट पे ईंट रखकर इस ताजमहल को नहीं बनाओगे। We are nothing without you. I hope you realize that and I really love you.